Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week what we are doing is tearing out an old sidewalk from the front door to a wall, and then the sidewalk in front of the wall. Nothing too crazy, nothing worth talking too much about, but I'm glad you clicked on the video. I'm glad you stopped by. Leave us a like, subscribe, stick around for the tear out, the framing, laying the rebar, and my favorite part, the pour. See you then, guys. In case you were curious, I had to break out the first square of the sidewalk with a small breaker so the Bobcat can make it through, because the top of those, I guess, columns were really narrow and the Bobcat would have hit him. So I had to break this out so the Bobcat could be lower going through. And once I broke it through and cleaned it out, the Bobcat was able to barely make it through and make our job a lot easier. She's learning little by little, guys, little by little. Look at that. No, I'm actually leaving it so she can learn. Even though the Bobcat made it in, it was really tight and I couldn't get everything. So after I scooted it out of here, I had to come back with the yellow breaker and break up the pieces even smaller so that we could carry them out the courtyard area into the bucket of the Bobcat. But the Bobcat still did its job pretty well by loosening everything up and making it easier for us to come on in. See, you can see me barely squeezing through there. Even had to get my wife to hold the hoses of the breaker. See, I'm doing my scrapbook right now. Boy, have times changed. You want to say hi to the camera? All right, guys, everything's torn out. Rebar's in, forms are in. We're good for tomorrow's pour. Let's take a look. So what happened is we broke out under there, so the concrete could go up to the brick, and then they're gonna mortar over our concrete so it's more of a flush look. Let's take a look. We got a 1% grade from that doorway here. That was not our choice, it just was, since we were following this over here. The step is gonna be popped off, and then we're gonna get the power buggy in here. We took off part of this sidewalk, as you can see, so that side over there could be a little higher. Even though it went down over there, this side's a little higher. But there it is, guys. See you tomorrow at the pour. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, pour day. Concrete's gonna be here soon. Let's get it knocked out. Hopefully you guys like what you see. Let us know what you think. Have a great day, guys. Man, I'm sure glad we were able to make it through that gap with the power buggy. The Bobcat made it through, but I still had my doubts, and I'm glad I didn't have to do the wheelbarrow. Alright guys, thanks for taking a look. The job was pretty simple, but there it was. Pour went well, as you could see. Concrete showed up on time. Finish went well. I mean, nothing went wrong. Everything went as expected. The power buggy made it through that gap. Next week we're gonna have a little bit something more complicated, but we are glad you clicked on our video this time. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think, and have a great day, guys.